List of Arizona Diamondbacks managers. There have been a total of 9 managers in the history of the Arizona Diamondbacks Major League Baseball, a MLB franchise of the National League. The Diamondbacks franchise was formed in the 1998 Major League Baseball season as a member of the National League. Buck Showalter was hired as the first Diamondbacks manager. Showalter served for 3 1998–2000 seasons before being replaced after the 2000 season. Al Pedrique, Alan Trammell, A.J. Hinch, and Chip Hale are the only managers in the Diamondbacks' history to not lead a team into the playoffs, although Tranmell and Pedrique did not manage a whole season. 5 managers have led the Diamondbacks to the playoffs. In the 2000 baseball season, the Diamondbacks decided to replace Buck Showalter with Bob Brenly. The following year, Brenly led the Diamondbacks to win the 2001 World Series. Brenly has the highest winning percentage for all Diamondback managers along with the most playoff games managed and won. However, after a poor 2003 and start of the 2004 season, Brenly was also released and was replaced by Al Pedrique, the third base coach for the Diamondbacks at the time. His 22 wins in 83 games managed for a .265 winning percentage is the lowest for all Diamondback managers in history. At the end of that season, the Diamondbacks originally hired Wally Bachmann as their new manager for the team. Though, after allegations of Bachmann driving under the influence, the Diamondbacks decided to instead hire Bob Melvin as their new manager instead of hiring Bachmann. Prior to the May 8, 2009 game, the Diamondbacks replaced Melvin with A.J. Hinch, who in turn was fired after the next season. Hinch has the lowest winning percentage for any full-time Diamondback manager in history, 420. Kirk Gibson managed the next 5 seasons before being fired in 2014. He was replaced by Chip Hale, who managed for 2 seasons before being let go in 2016. Kirk Gibson is the all-time winningest Diamondbacks manager with 353 victories within 728 games managed. The current manager of Diamondbacks is Tori Lovalo, who was hired in 2017. Providing that Lovalo manages the entirety of the 2022 season, he would rank as the longest-tenured Diamondback manager in history. Key ==